Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix duplicate apps on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. You'll be able to see here, I have two WhatsApp apps on here, but let's say I just want one app. There are a couple different ways to be able to fix this. The first one is, let's get into your settings. So I'm going to swipe up and open up the settings app. The first thing I'm going to do is scroll down until I find the option that says Advanced Features and tap on that. Now within Advanced Features, if I scroll down, there's one option that says Dual Messenger here on my Samsung Galaxy, and you could have turned this on accidentally to have a dual app. Keep in mind, this isn't for every app, and there could be some other issues and other fixes that I'll walk you through. But if this is the case, you can see Dual Messenger for WhatsApp. All I need to do is turn it off. I can choose to keep the data and hit uninstall. After I've done that, you'll be able to see there's just one WhatsApp app. So this could fix your issue. However, if it doesn't fix your issue, the next thing we're going to do is go back to your settings. And within the settings, go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until we get to home screen. Tap on that. And then scroll down until you get to the option that says Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Now you'll be able to see every app on your phone here. Keep in mind, if there's a specific app that is duplicated, or you usually see multiple different versions of it, I would recommend hiding it. So let's choose Chrome here, tap to hide it, and then hit done. And you'll be able to see it has been removed. But let's just go back in here, and then we will unhide it. So go through the process of hiding it first. This will prevent the dual apps from being installed, and then just unhiding it. Now, if that doesn't work for you, the next thing that we can do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. From the beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until you find apps on this list. Tap on that. And then find the app that is duplicated. You can see if I scroll down, here's two Chromes. You can see one Chrome and another one that's slightly smaller. I can always tap on that duplicated Chrome. And on here, all I need to do is scroll down. I'm going to choose to clear the cache and data if it lets me. And if it doesn't let me, I can just open up Chrome and hit the disable button. And it says basically I can disable this second version of it, whereas just the one version will be enabled. And now I won't necessarily have both of those apps on my home screen, both running and both showing up when I'm browsing around on my phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you used to have any questions. Thanks, guys.